So we heard about this thing that if you bend your pinky back all the way, the noise you make is your sex toy. So come here.
You're gonna do it to yourself, because the last time she almost broke my finger and she made this noise.
Okay, come here. No. Give me your thumb. I mean pinky. Give me your pinky.
Give me your pinky.
Wait. You first.
No.
Make a noise.
I can't. Okay. Nerf is her second son.
Here's your... So you're gonna be a silent person, I see. Here, let's try your thumb. Here, I'll do this then.
It's better than
At least I make noise. Bye.